How to remove the hard drive from HP Pavilion 17-inch notebook. Okay, um, my hard drive I think fried. Okay, so I'm gonna have to use probably an adapter to read it to uh, recover the data that I had in the hard drive. This is a USB adapter that you can actually connect your laptop hard drive, and then just connect it to another computer using a USB, and I might be able to recover all my data. But anyway, here's what I'm gonna do. Basically, it's gone. If I turn it on, it just won't boot up, whatever. So anyway, I'm taking off the hard drive to see if I can read it, and let's hope I can read it. But anyway, how do you open this laptop? Well, let's do it right now. That way you guys can see. First, you just close it, put it upside down like this, take up your battery. Okay, by the way, I'm doing everything with one hand holding my phone and the other one working the screwdrivers and working the screwdriver and removing the battery. But anyway, here's how you do it. You remove your battery. Loosen up this screw here. Okay, and then after that, sorry about that, I'm moving it too much. Okay, after that, you just pry this here, and push it back. Now, as you can see, it's simple as that. The cover comes off. Okay, and booyah, there's your memory here. There's your hard drive here. And that's what we need. We need to copy all the data that is in the hard drive and put it in some external hard drive or in a different computer. That way we can actually recover all that data before we change the hard drive or before we format this hard drive. We need to copy all that data. Anyway, so it has two screws there holding the hard drive. And as you guys can see, I'm doing this one hand holding the phone and the other one doing the actual work. So let's see. Okay, let's see. I'm just gonna pry a little bit with a screwdriver here. Okay, doesn't look like it's moving. Oh, nice. So after you remove the screws, you just pry a little bit, and it's got the connection here on this end. So, by the way, I'm learning the same as you guys, okay, as I'm doing it. I had to pause this because I need to use my two hands, one to pull this connection here and the other one to hold the hard drive, okay? So just bear with me, and I'm gonna pause this right now to remove it. So anyway, that's the way you do it. One hand, you pull this connector off. The other one, you have to be like holding the hard drive. But anyway, hard drive's already out. Not a big deal, as you guys can see. So now I can just say, wish me luck, okay? And let's hope this works. Let's hope I'm able to read everything with my reader here. Let me show you how this reader works. That way you guys get an idea. It's a simple reader. So you just put it like this, okay? Just put it like this and connect it to your hard drive. Then here, there's a connection here that you just need to plug it in, and then from there, the other end goes to your computer, and let's hope it works. But anyway, that's how you do it. And like I said, just wish me luck, okay? I just wanted to show you how to open this laptop and how to remove the hard drive. And as you guys can see, it's real simple. Okay, it doesn't take that long. So wish me luck with data. Let's hope I can recover the data. If I can recover the data, then I'm just gonna put it together after that and I'm all done. I can always format the hard drive. If I recover the data, I can format the drive, I'll install Windows again and get it going again, or do an upgrade and actually change the hard drive for a better one. Anyway, thank you guys. Take care. Bye.